Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I've been getting loads of these and throwing them away each year. And I've got quite a few left. I didn't know what to do with them. But then I had loads of loose wire out of workshop for when I've been repairing stuff. So I thought, why not sew the fit on there? And that's exactly what I did. Now I can hang them up and just pull it off as I want it. I've got a few more wires to put on yet. I've got quite a lot of these reels, but one good use to make out of one. I'm going to make a fag light extension lead. So I've got a fag light at one end, and then on the other you unravel it and you have the female socket end on the other. That's one of my plans for when I use my 12-volt pump for camping. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.